Okay, let's again discuss the concept called as class, and the example for that this time will be home. Okay, under the class home, what kind of attributes we can have? Attributes or identifiers. Okay, so what kind of identifiers we can have? We can have address, we can have rooms, we can have bath, we can have how many floors, and we can have color, so many things. Okay, and then under the category of methods, what kind of activities can we perform in terms of the object house itself? Open gate, uh, close gate. Okay, then you will have turn on heat, turn off heat, turn on AC, turn off AC. Okay, these methods, in other words, are called as verbs. This is only for understanding. They are not used in programming language, and this you can say as noun. Okay, and there's another additional thing I want to mention about each of them is these are declared in class. Like any object you create should have an address, should have a room, should have a bar, should have the number of baths, should have floor, should have color, and then these are defined in class. So methods are defined in class. So you don't have to do anything else in the with the methods in your main program. What you can do is you can call methods in your program, but for these attributes you have to set values. But again, you can have a predefined values already set in the class, but then in the main program also, if you want, you can set up class or use the default values. But for the methods are already defined in the class, you just use them in your program. So let's go ahead and create objects now. Objects of the type class. Okay, so let's start creating objects. So what will be our first object? We'll name it as home1. Second object, home2. And what are we going to use the attributes as? Attributes or properties. Okay, we can use the address value as 123 ABC Road. Then maybe rooms can be 5, bath can be 2, area can be 2000 square feet, or whatever the unit you like. And then floors are 2, color can be green. And then there's another home. You can have a different address, definitely ABC Road, and then rooms can be 10, bath can be 5, area can be 10,000, floor can be 5, and color can be brown. Okay, now let's go ahead and see what we can do with the methods. So for methods, this boundary line I will erase because methods are same. There is no difference in methods. So let's give them short forms. Open gate, close gate, turn on heat, turn off heat, turn on AC, turn off AC. So when they call the method open gate or close gate or turn on heat or turn off heat or turn on AC or turn off AC, both the objects should be able to do similar operation. Okay, open gate should be able to open its gate, close gate should be able to close its gate. So both of the methods, the moment you create an object, they will be able to use all the methods inside the class. They may need some values set up already, so that's why you need this property setup. They can be default, or it can be defined in the in your program. You can set the values in the program, but the method, you just call it. You just call it, call methods. You have to call the methods. Call means you can use those methods. Okay, you don't have to do anything more. You can use those methods to do some things here and there. So this is the basic concepts on class with the example of home. We'll discuss another important topic in this concept called as object oriented programming.